Hello. I'm so glad that you're interested in taking one of my virtual classes, and I'm so glad to dance with you. So this video I'm going to use to show you how you can sign up for the virtual class and how to access them. So let me start by sharing my screen. So what you can see from here is if you just go to my Zumba website, crystalmatthews.zumba.com, here's where you'll be able to access all my classes. This is for live stream and pre-recorded. What's also great about this that you can see is it also shows how you can email me, my Facebook page, and my Instagram page. And so what I wanted to show you today is how you can access my schedule. So you'll see Saturday's class is a pre-recorded class. It's free and it's 54 minutes. And so by clicking here, and it'll take you to the class. It will ask you to log in with either Google, Facebook, or your email to create an account. You can sign up for the class. This class is free, so obviously it's easy to sign up. You can add it to your calendar. I would love any comments on the class, maybe some favorite songs, or if you had any issues, and then if you want to share the class. So that is probably the best way to access it. For our live stream classes, you can click on the day you want to go. You can add it to your calendar. I also put the Zoom ID here and additional details. So hopefully this was helpful, and I can't wait to dance with you.